green.
It's a greenish, like dark, dark.
Probably your glasses.
No, I'm looking without my glasses.
Miata boys now. So we just picked this up. And do you want to tell them the story about the BMW?
Well, I don't know if you're being truthful or not.
I'm being so truthful, bro.
Well,
What happened?
Abdullah says the car is like messed up front to back.
Okay, no, so we picked the car up with just rear end damage.
Yeah, just a trunk.
And now they're saying
That basically the car is like, it's a different car basically.
what is it missing?
Everything.
It's
The
missing
whole
the
back
steering
end-
wheel.
Yeah, the whole back end smashed out apparently. We don't know. I haven't seen it yet.
But we shall see.
All right, we'll see. Just wait.
Yep. I just want to tell you, you're going to be surprised when you see the car. Because you're not going to be happy. Honestly, when I saw we can go see if you can borrow a vest. We can get you in there. But I think you'd be very mad if you see the car.
All right, I guess we'll wait. We haven't seen it yet. I think we're fucking with him. Because he's always doing that. So we'll see that. What? Bro, it's all good.
So the car's coming. Let's see your reaction.
I'm trying to see it. I'll stand on the Miata just so I can see
Okay,
it.
I just want to be honest with you.
You're fucking
I was
with me.
joking.
Yeah, he's
I was joking.
got my friend in
It's for the
there.
video.
Don't do
I'm
that.
sorry.
To me, bro.
I'm sorry.
Don't do that.
I just told him that the car is like totaled.
Well, we haven't seen it yet. So I'm still-
Imagine it's totaled.
Yeah.
Gone wrong.
Steering wheel's
Interior's
gone.
brand new.
Oh, wow.
Interior's brand new.
Look at those seats. They look so good. Wow, that looks really good, dude. Jesus. Dude, it even smells like an E46.
That's brand new. That's brand new interior. Oh my god.
Wait.
Yeah, well, we gotta pop the hood and stuff. Pop the hood. Hey, you see the engine?
Just a little dusty. I don't see. Oh, dude, this is not leaking. None of this is.
No,
well,
nothing.
I mean,
No, that's residue though. We're showing so far. This is a 2JZ. This is the turbo right here. This right here is the turbo.
okay.
It's a black turbo.
Well, we just picked up the cars, so time to go home. So these are last night's pickups. We have a Miata and an E46, and they need all the fluids changed. They definitely need a wash, inside and outside, really bad. The Beamer's fine. The Miata really needs it on the inside. So we're gonna wash it today and do the fluids for the most part. That's the goal. So let's get to it.